Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, June 29th, 2023. It is 3:19 and 17 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, anti-tumors. So let's to it here. Researchers uncover immune cell marker, a regulator of anti-tumor immunity. Date June 23rd, 2023. Source: Mass General Brigham. As B cells are thought to play a critical role in innate and adaptive immunity, but their exact role in anti-tumor immunity remains unknown. Researchers with expertise in immunology collaborated with experts in dermatology to further understand the role of B cells and identify a subset of cells that may play a critical role. They found a cell surface receptor called TIM1 expressed on these B cells during melanoma growth. They also characterized multiple accompanying cell surface proteins that were involved in the B cell's immune function. Interestingly, they found that deleting a molecule TIM1, but not any of the other accompanying proteins, dramatically decreased tumor growth. The researchers concluded that TIM1 controls B cell activation, an immune response that combats cancer, including activating another type of the killer tumor-specific T cells for inhibiting tumor growth. The collaboration of scientific investigators and researchers allowed them to test and demonstrate the therapeutic potential of targeting TIM1 in melanoma models. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.